There is something alluring about a rustic entryway, where every element reveals a subtle narrative about the natural world, the past, and the craftsmanship that went into it. When you enter, you are met right away with a sense of peace that compels you to halt, take a deep breath, and take in all that is going on around you. However, what truly draws your attention is the artwork that is displayed on the walls. It is earthy, tactile, and classic. Adding layers of depth to the area is accomplished by hanging woven baskets next to rustic mirrors, one on top of the other. Soft light emanates from a historic lantern that is suspended in the ceiling, creating a radiance that is reminiscent of a comforting hug. An environment that is rooted in reality, uncomplicated, and long-lasting is the result of the collaborative efforts of each and every component. Coat racks constructed from recycled wood lend an effortless, natural beauty to the area, while wooden seats that have been worn and are warm offer a touch that is both useful and appealing. Each and every component carries with it a trace of the natural world, from the woven baskets that are used to store shoes to the delicate aroma of dried flowers that greets you as you enter the building. This is the place where comfort and style come together, where beauty and usefulness flow together in a natural way. The correct combination of natural materials and careful design may transform a rustic doorway into something more than simply a gateway. It can become an invitation to experience the comfort and ease of being at home,